Hi guys, welcome back. Today our pronouns any words with a sound t and the sound t. Time, dime, tor, door, try, dry, right, right, cart, cart, 12, city, letter, matter, leader, getting, looked, meet, meets, Thailand, listen, often, whistle, castle, Christmas, ballet, door, date, didn't, studied, address, meter, at, suddenly, called, card, watched, ordered, played, tried, visited, cleaned, answered, talked, worked, missed, needed, stayed, started, stopped. Dialogue, missed day. What did Diana do yesterday? Hello. Hello, Diana. This is David. Oh, hi, David. What happened yesterday? I waited and waited for you. You forgot our date, didn't you? No, I remembered. But it rained today, and I had a bad cold, so I decided to stay home. You did? But I tried to call you at least 20 times and nobody answered. Oh, the phone lines were damaged by the storm. They repaired them today. Oh, and what did your sister Maddie do yesterday? Did she and her boyfriend go dancing? No, they didn't. They stayed home and played cards. And what did you do? Did you play cards too? No, I studied and listened to CDs. And after dinner, I watched the DVD with Maddie. What did you do for dinner? I didn't feel like making a big dinner, so I just heated up some frozen food. What did you do yesterday, David? I just told you, Dinah. I tried to call you 20 times. That's all. I finished my homework. Thank you for watching.